Shalom, Most High Christ bless. Hey, we about to make some soup, all right? This is some spiritual soup right here. This is some homemade chicken noodle soup, all right? What we looking at here, this is a whole chicken just chopped up, all right? Chopped up in pieces. We got seasoning in it, and we threw a little strong drink in it, all right? The chicken went through some tribulation. It was chopped up, all right? So we got our chicken here. We got our vegetables. You can use tomatoes, carrots, celery, potatoes, onions, some jalapenos if you like your soup to be a little hot, all right? So what we dealing with is for a whole chicken, you can do 2 to 3 tomatoes and 2 to 3 celery, about 8 small potatoes or maybe 3 large ones. All right, and so from there we're gonna get back with y'all in a second. All right, Shalom. Look, what we're about to do is we're gonna throw some butter in there in the pot. The pot is on high. All right. We're gonna throw some chicken cubes in. All right. So what we're doing is we're gonna brown this chicken. One thing that helps the chicken get brown fast is some sugar. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of raw sugar, maybe about a tablespoon. All right, and we're gonna also add some pink Himalayan salt. All right, and like I said, we leaving this this chicken on high. All right, we're gonna leave it on high. All right, until it's brown. All right, so we're gonna get back with you. All right, just a quick recap. Look at here. So what we did was we cut the chicken up. We threw chicken broth cubes in there. We threw 4 chicken broth cubes. We threw a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of sea salt, and we used a tablespoon of butter to get the brown and caramelization what we're looking at now, right? So now we're gonna go with a gallon of water, all right? So we're gonna come back to you. We're gonna go with a gallon of water and we're gonna bring it to a boil. Okay, so far we added 1.5 gallons of water into the with the chicken as it was caramelized, and now we have the pot on high and we're waiting for it to come to a boil again, and then we'll add the vegetables. All right. Hey, Shalom, Israel. We back. So let's check this out. So now it's came to a boil. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our vegetables, all right? So remember earlier we talked about the quantity, and really you can add whatever vegetables you want. So we're gonna add the vegetables and we're gonna wait for it to come to a boil again, all right? Stay tuned. We are at the final session right here. So now the vegetables come to a boil. We tasted the soup. We added about a teaspoon more of pink Himalayan salt. All right. It's very good. It's very rich. Here we are. All right. So now that the soup is at its final stage, we're gonna go ahead and start boiling the noodles. All right, these are the noodles that we're gonna be using. Boil it on the side like you would do spaghetti. All right, don't boil it by just dumping it into the soup. All right, it's gonna taint the soup. It's gonna make it soggy. All right, it's gonna make it cloudy. All right, and with that we say shalom.
We used to scream black power while Heron was pushed. But at the end of the day, nothing's in vain. IUIC has been given a vision. The tents of Judah has risen. Many has attempted the mission. Minor murmuring, omitting, and missing the mark. Just reading that he had the flame of fire in his eyes gave us the spark. We on Paul's mission. We out on the road, purple and gold. From Mexico, Cuba, Haiti, Ghana, Sierra Leone. 144,000 boots banging, concrete crackling. These are our men repented at heart. The scriptures is proof. IUIC, we deliver the truth.